you have. Okay, this might be the. Okay, this is clear blue, and this is white blue, and what's that? Oh, this is the slime activator. We don't need that.
Love green and blue.
We don't have blue.
It's okay. I love green eater. Yay! I love blue. I want to make the blue one.
Do you want to make the white base slime or the clear base slime? White base? Okay.
Okay. Just twist.
Okay, to make that, you have a spoon. Yep. Now we're gonna pour in 6 spoons of white glue.
Okay.
Careful. Oh. That's 1. That's okay. 2.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, that's enough.
Ugh.
Okay, let's.
Ugh! Ugh, get out!
That's enough of. Ah, man, you made such a mess.
Oh, come on!
That's okay. And then 1 spoon of slime activator.
What? That's gonna be hard. So good.
There you go. Just 1. Okay, I think that's enough. And then you want to put coloring in it?
Yeah,
What?
green.
Okay, just 1 drop, I think.
Maybe.
Okay. Now you mix it. Okay, mix it, bro.
Super hard! I am super tough. This is blue balloon!
Blue balloon.
A little bit more mixing. We're already done.
Is it?
No. Maybe this is already done.
I think you need to mix it a bit more
Ah!
until it's not so sticky anymore, I think.
Ah! Ah!
Is it still sticky? If it is, you need to mix it more.
This is a like Slimer, like in Ghostbusters.
Yeah, because it's green.
Yeah. I want to make Slimer, then just wait for him because he's dry.
Is it still sticky?
Yeah, slime is sticky, no? Yeah, maybe it is sticky. Whoa, look at this.
Mix it.
Oh, it's already.
Oh, it's turning into slime.
Nope.
Oh, you can pick it up. Hey, that was easy.
Yeah, that's now some daiquiris.
Okay. What are you pouring there?
Yay. Oopsie. Oopsie again!
You mix it up.
I need some glitter.
Oh, that's a lot of glitter.
Yay! I love glitter! Okay. then some plastic thingy.
Okay.
And then it's just
Okay. Maybe that's too much stuff.
yeah.
Whoa!
Big Poppy! I'm gonna make some blue glitter thingy. Crunchy crunch. Crunch? Whoa! My slime is beautiful!
Okay, you can just use your pad, might as well.
No. Wow! The footballs are moving! Oh, so sticky! How do I hold it? Oh, come on. Help me! Help me! Help! Help! No, this.
Oh,
God, it looks like a booger!
that's a cool looking slime. Hey, wanna make a clear slime?
Yeah!
Okay, let's clean this up for a bit.
Even my hands! My beautiful hands! No!
Okay, let's make a clear slime. This time we're gonna use clear glue. We need 6 spoons of glue. Do it like last time. Huh?
No. Okay, try it. 6.
That's 1.
Wow, this is a beautiful one!
Okay, pour it.
1. This is not a beautiful one! 2. Whoa, this is not a beautiful one. 3. Whoa, 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 whoa. 4. 5. 6.
Okay, let's make more. Pour it another 6 spoons of white glue. Oh, of clear glue. 6 more.
1. This is gonna be a big slime too. 3. 4. 5. 6.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Look.
Now we need the activator.
Like
Let's put in 3 spoons of activator. 1.
2. Look.
And now mix it up with the spatula. Yep.
I can make it real.
Okay, mix it.
Oh, it's really clear. Oh, look at this.
Ooh. Oh, looking good.
Clear.
It's like jelly.
Yeah, Jelly Billy.
Pour some glitter. What? That's a lot of glitter. Hey.
I don't even. Oh, this is gonna be a mistake either. Oh, this is.
Ooh, it's looking cool.
Okay, I want to spread it up via your suit.
Whoa.
No, this part. Yeah! Oh. I got purple slime here.
Mix it. Make sure you mix it well.
Well.
Mix it well.
Miss it well.
Well. Not well.
Wow. I want to see it.
It's coming. Oh yeah. Ooh.
It is like purple poop. Ah! Oh, slime. Ah! Yeah. Ah! Now the decorations.
Slimy. now you have two cool looking slimes.
Oh, it's so sticky! No, it's still sticky, Papa. Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll show us your newly made slimes. So you made two types.
Yeah.
You got the purple galaxy glitter thingy and the green one.
Alien blood!
Alien blood. So creepy. Anyway, did you have fun?
Yeah, a little bit fun.
A little bit fun, but it was too messy, wasn't it?
Yeah, maybe tomorrow I want to make slime again, but this time, Papa, don't touch the slime.
Okay. Well, it was made out of glue. So if you use white glue, it becomes like this. This
Cool.
green alien blood thingy. But if you use clear glue, it becomes like this. A clear slime. Which is quite awesome.
It's kind of awesome. And there's